Hey, have you been looking for some high converting traffic that actually converts that will get you sales and help you to grow your business without using something like Udemy or traffic for me to get your traffic? Well, you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta, and I've been marketing online for about 7 years now. And through that time, I've learned that traffic is the key to your business, and if you don't have it, you don't have a good source of quality traffic, then you're not going to get the results that you want to get. And it's very easy, if you don't know what you're doing, to actually get yourself in debt. And that's what we don't want. We don't want people going into debt, buying traffic, thinking that they're just going to make a bunch of sales without knowing what they're doing. So right here, here's what we actually do. I actually help people to convert their traffic into sales. And I mean, as you can see right here, I have on-demand traffic. So anybody who gets a traffic package from me, I'm gonna actually help them to get results. And here's why you should actually get traffic from me, is because there's three things that determine your success. It's how well the traffic is targeted and the offers that you're promoting, and the landing page where they opt in at, how how much is that converting, like how high is that converting, and everything, and the traffic sources that you're using. Those are three very important keys to actually having good results with solo ads. And you know, I've learned firsthand what it actually takes to actually, get results with traffic. So, um, is what you have to know is that here's the things that I'm gonna do for you. I'm gonna help you to manage your funnel and your offers. I'm going to give you the highest converting pages. You'll have the options to get the highest converting pages. My highest rate now on here, it says 85%, but it's actually 88% now. That's my highest converting run on solo ad traffic, but it all depends on the offer that you have and how you're promoting. But I set you up to actually get that. You can actually have that option, and you're going to understand how to track your leads, and how to know your conversion rate, and how to know your numbers, right? Because that's one thing that a lot of people who are first starting with solo ads, they don't know their numbers. They don't know what actually uh, they need to do to actually get results. So when they run traffic, they're just running it blindly, and they don't know their numbers. They don't know the opt-in rate. They don't know anything like that. And it's very important to know those numbers and be able to track those numbers. So I'm gonna help you with that when you order a traffic package from me, and you're gonna have the option to do a call with me to where we could go down and see what your business is, and actually to have the campaign tailored towards you. And you're going to know how to build a business with only the right people and the most engaged people. So the people that aren't engaging on your list, it's important to get rid of those people and only keep the high converting people. So here's how you do it. You're going to first select the package, and you're going to get 100% real people, and there's either 90% T1 or 100% T1, which basically means coming from an English speaking country, it's your best quality traffic. T1 is your best that you could do. Anything that's not T1 is coming from other areas of the globe, right? So that's what that is. So you want to get the most amount of T1 possible. And there's a campaign review. So if you want to get your opt-in rate anywhere from a 50% opt-in rate to an 85%, now 88% opt-in rate, then you have the option to do that. You could actually schedule a Zoom call with me. Whenever you buy a traffic package, you'll be sent to that page where you could set up a call, and we'll actually talk face to face about how to tailor your campaign so you get the best results, right? So then the next thing is step three, where we actually launch your campaign and you're gonna get an over delivery. And you know, I normally start campaigns with anybody that orders in 3 days or less. The reason why I do that is because I don't like a bunch of people on my rotator at one time, right? I like you at the very top, so that way you get the best results possible. And I like to focus on just you and your order at one time, right? So that's why I do that. And anybody who gets a 500 click package or above is going to get some over delivery. Um, and there's no refunds. So that basically means when you order, there's no refunds because it's traffic. So you're going to be compensated for any traffic that you need. So if you're tracking your orders, you're gonna get compensated for anything that might happen. You're gonna get those clicks, but I don't offer refunds because it's traffic, and when the traffic starts, it's automatically going, right. So you can't refund those people that are already on your list. So it's impossible to do a refund, right. Here's some of the testimonials uh, that that I have, right? So if you look, the opt-in rate is 88% right here. T1 is 97%. 5 sales, 3 within 24 hours. 2 on email follow-up. So you're gonna get a lot of your sales on the follow-up as well. High converting people right here is a 50% opt-in rate, 97% T1. Um, you know, 2 sales and 1 upsell. So basically, they did a ClickBank offer, and they didn't take me up on the option to actually manage their funnel. So they got a 50% opt-in rate still, which is good. Um, and then this one is a 65%, and then sales, and then 92% T1, and then this one right here, 600 clicks, they received 717 and 85% opt-in rate, 95% T1, and 4 sales. And I actually uh, helped Kevin to actually set up and track his leads. So you don't have to have any experience doing this. You could be totally, brand new to solo ads, and I'm here to help, right? So right here, she got 1 sale. She ordered 100 clicks. She got 130. I don't even sell 100 clicks on the site anymore. I did when I first started, but I've realized that 100 clicks isn't enough to test anything, and 100 clicks isn't really worth running, because you're not going to get enough data. So if you get a 50% opt-in rate, for example, you're only going to get 50 clicks. So I don't want people ordering anything under 200 clicks. So if you go here, my smallest package is 200 clicks, and that's for a reason, right? That's because I want you to get enough traffic to your offer to actually get some results and start building your list, right? So this is 90% T1. Here's 100% T1, and you just pick a traffic package that fits you. And there's other bonuses and things that I offer. And there's ways to also get discounts on traffic when you order from me. So you want to also look at these questions as well, to know everything about your order. And just know there's ways to actually get discounts, but know when you order from me that you're gonna actually get the best quality traffic that you could get, and I'm gonna help you with your campaign, right? It's not like you're just buying a some traffic and having your campaign and not getting any help, right? I'm here to help you and make sure that you get good results. You just have to take action and get a package from me so that we could start that process, right? So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Make sure you also click on the link below this video to get your traffic package today. and I'm going to help you to actually get results. I'm going to help you get the best results with solo ads possible. If you've used them in the past and not gotten any results, well, this is different because I'm going to actually help you and you'll know what to do, right? So, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and make sure you reach out to me on Facebook if you need anything as well. When you order a traffic package, I'm going to help you to set that up and it will be ready to go. All right. I appreciate you watching the video, and I'll talk to you soon.